I'm Yvonne Crestani. Over 13 years ago, I established the Crestani Foundation in memory of my husband Chris, who was the chief radiation therapist at St Vincent's Hospital. Sadly, Chris passed away with cancer himself. The aim of the foundation was to raise funds for higher education and to improve the skills of professionals who treat cancer patients. I began the program in 2007. I started raising funds for our program at the Royal North Shore Hospital in Sydney. Then in 2013, with the opening of the Central Coast Cancer Centre, I redirected my fundraising efforts from the hospital in Sydney to the Central Coast. With an enthusiastic group of volunteers, I decided to fund scholarships at the Central Coast Cancer Centre. Radiotherapists, physicists, nurses and other allied personnel are given the opportunity for higher education and research study by way of scholarships, both in Australia and overseas. Naturally, this has a tremendous impact on the benefits and results for cancer patients. All of us have been traumatised by the diagnosis of cancer, whether it be ourselves, a friend, a relative, or someone we love. So it's not surprising that we have such generous support from the corporate world, the Central Coast Council, and the general public. Money raised through the Crestani Foundation supports higher education and research for those professionals treating cancer. Because the better the education, the better the treatment, the better the outcomes for cancer patients. Funding for the latest techniques and state-of-the-art skills have been made possible through donations and grants from community organisations such as Gosford Masonic Centre, Rotary, the Bendigo Bank, the business community and the general public. Our most gratifying effort has been funding the introduction of the stereotactic system of radiation to the Central Coast. This method of delivery produces the absolute latest treatment for some cancers in lung, spine and brain, which significantly reduces the number of doses and discomfort for patients. In 2019, we funded the study and overseas training for stereotactic delivery in metastatic liver cancers. The Crestani Foundation is very proud in the knowledge that our contribution has produced a more positive result for cancer sufferers. In the last few years, we have expanded our partnerships with the University of Newcastle and the Australian College of Nursing. We have increased our network in the community and attracted highly skilled volunteers with experts in IT, graphic arts, clerical work, photography, videography and social media so that we are able to get our message across to the general public. The Crestani Foundation is a not-for-profit registered charity and is run completely by volunteers. None of us are paid, and we are very mindful of the plight of those who have been and will be diagnosed with cancer.